Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. Can't believe it's 2024. Honestly, it felt like it was COVID like yesterday, but that was technically like 4 years ago, which is kind of crazy. In this video I am going to be dressing like the K-pop group Tomorrow by Together. I've actually been wanting to do this video for few months now, but I've been waiting until it's like kind of cold to do this. A lot of my clothes that I have that are similar to their style are like winter clothes, so I didn't want to do this in the summertime and be sweating. Tomorrow by Together is actually one of my favorite groups ever. Behind BTS, it'd be TXT. They'd be technically like a second old to me. I love them so much. And yeah, today is Subin Day. I'm going to be starting by leader / fan chant order. I'm out of focus. Okay, I'm back. Fan chant order, so Subin, Yeonjun, Bumgyu, Taeyeon, and Huening. And there's exactly 5 members, exactly 5 days a week. Today, Subin Day. Nothing to do today. I don't have work, so I'm just going to be wearing this outfit to nowhere. So for base layer, I just have this white crop top on, and Subin style is very, like, I think very chic. He wears a lot of things that could be categorized as like really professional but also like stylish at the same time. He wears shirts with collars. It's very like professional and classic and chic is what I would categorize his style. So I just have this like white button-up top. It is see-through. It's one of like the only ones that I have, so that's why I'm wearing it. And the pants that I have are from Aritzia. They're just a pair of high-waisted black straight leg dress pants. He wears Vans a lot, and I love how he adds Vans to his like kind of like professional chic business looks. So I'm gonna be wearing some black Vans, and since it's winter time, I'm gonna put on a black trench coat because he wears those a lot. Makes him look tall and like in a K-drama. So that's the outfit. This is my dad's like big trench coat. It's so big on me, but it's for the video. Cute. Hello, it's Tuesday, and today we are dressing like Yeonjun. His style, or his outfit, I had kind of planned for a while because I really like Yeonjun's style. He's got a really cool, interesting style, and yeah, I always am like, I want what he's wearing all the time. I feel like Yeonjun is probably one of the most like trendiest members of TXT for sure, and he kind of his outfits are very outside of the box. So I have my base shirt on. This is just like this knit sweater with this butterfly that kind of looks like ribs. I thought this was kind of fun and funky, and he is kind of like on that like grunge rocky kind of look, and he also wears a lot of knits, so base. And then I'll show you guys my pants in a second. I'm gonna be wearing this vest for like accessory add-ons. This one's from Harley Davidson, but it's just a black vest, and I love wearing vests, especially in the winter with like a turtleneck sweater. I think it's a fun look wearing that. A little beanie. My hair is not looking the best today, but it's also winter, so I need a little hat, and he wears beanies a lot, so that's the top half. For pants, I have these really big cargo style jeans. They're like kind of low cut. They're not like high-waisted, because he doesn't really wear high-waisted pants that often. So yeah, just a pair of big oversized pants. And for shoes, I'm just gonna be wearing a basic black Converse. He always wears Converse, so I thought these would fit well with the look. These are just the classic Chuck Taylors in black, and that will finish the look for Tuesday for Yeonjun. Today is Wednesday and we're dressing like Bongyu. What's really funny is that today he opened his Instagram account, so it's a really extra special day today. So I am basing my I'm basing my outfit on the To Do episode where they like dress like themselves, like little boyfriend outfits, and then they voted on each other and who was like the most stylish, and Bongyu actually won, which was so exciting. He wears a lot of oversized things, which I also love oversized things, so it works out. And yeah, he just screams like little like boyfriend winter bear, so that's what I'm gonna do. Lots of browns and neutrals. So I have my base layer on. He doesn't really wear turtlenecks, but I don't own a lot of things that are not turtlenecks, and it's also winter time. So I have the base layer on, and then I'm wearing these really big baggy jeans that I'll show you guys in a second. They're straight leg and they have holes in the knees because he does wear a lot of ripped pants. The top layer, I'm wearing this cropped like hoodie. He wore pretty much a similar outfit to this, big baggy ripped jeans and a cropped hoodie. So I'm gonna do that, and it's brown because he's a little bear. This is from Target. I know that for a fact. And this is from Zara, I believe. Gray fleece lined coat from Harley Davidson to wear over as my coat and to complete the look. Look at that. Hoodie out. Big and oversized. These are the pants, by the way. They're like ripped and big and straight legged. These are from Zara, and yeah. For shoes, I'm gonna be wearing these Converse. These are the Run Star Legacies, I believe, and he has been spotted wearing these, so I thought it was fitting for this outfit. And they have like a nice little platform, they're chunky, everything that he wears. These are great, and literally wearing something so similar to this in his Instagram. Everyone go follow. Because this is my tan is my bias, so I feel extra excited today. His style is very oversized and sporty. The stuff he wears that's like oversized makes him look tiny. Not a sporty girl, so I am gonna go with the very casual flannel and jeans look that he does a lot. So yes, have a base top on. The only other tops I really have are turtlenecks, and he does not wear turtlenecks, so this is all I got. It's just a black top. It's got no sleeves. I'm gonna freeze, but it's okay. For the flannel, I have this really big one that I got from a thrift store, so I don't know the brand, and you probably don't either. And cute flannel look. And I'm gonna show you guys my jeans. Jeans, like I said, very big and baggy because he wears that look a lot. Taeyeon usually either wears like a sneaker or a Converse, and he always wears fun and funky different Converse. He doesn't wear like the classic ones. They're like either layered or like a different color. I don't really have a lot of fun funky Converse, actually fun funky shoes. I like my basic black and white shoes. But these ones are the Comme des Garçons Converse, so they are a little different. I feel like he would like these too. I know the red and blue does not match, but no one's really gonna see these because I'm wearing big baggy jeans. But I really like them for this like sole part because I feel like he would wear this. So shoes. For accessories, I'm gonna wear this silver chain. I would wear some silver hoop earrings that he wears all the time, but I'm allergic to nickel, which is in earrings. So I have like had allergic reaction in one of my ears, so I'm not going to do that. And that is the full look. I'm so excited because this is my man. Last but definitely not least, it's Huening Kai Day, aka Friday. This day is great because one, it's Kai Day, but also it's a Friday, so weekend, which is just so great. I love how they're like exactly the days of the week of like Monday through Friday, which is nice. I can wear all this stuff to work. But yeah, today is Kai Day, and Kai has a very, very specific style. It's very basic and true to himself. It is very, very simple. He's wearing this white turtleneck because it's wintertime. I don't think I've really seen him wear turtlenecks, but I don't want to wear just like a white shirt. It's too cold for that. So I have just this white turtleneck. He does wear white. And then for pants, he either wears like a skinny jean or a very straight leg pant that's like super simple but also has a little bit of like detail to it. Some are just like the color change is different, like it's not like a normal jean color. So that's what I'm wearing for bottoms. Accessories, I'm just wearing a classic hoodie. He is the hoodie king. This one is actually a Private Paradise one. It's for Kim Namjoon and it's green. It's like one of the only hoodies that I own, so I'm gonna wear it. And of course it has a hood. These are the pants. Again, straight leg sort of. They are high-waisted, which he wears a lot, and they are like a simple jean, but they have like this like distressing right here and a little bit of lines, but again they're super simple, and I feel like he would wear this outfit. And for shoes, I wore these on Bumgyu Day. Both Bumgyu and Kai have been seen wearing the Run Star Legacy shoes from Converse, both in this like black color. Kai most recently in like the To Do fashion episode, which is what I'm basing a lot of my stuff on. He had these shoes. He's worn them in TikToks. They are a staple. I think of Huening Kai when I wear these and put them on and see them in public. This is just Huening Kai in a shoe, and they're super cute. You give me an extra few inches. So, and yeah, they look really good with like jeans that I'm wearing. So that is a Kai outfit. And yeah, I will show you guys like a full body as I've done with every other one. That is me dressing like TXT for a week. I actually had so much fun doing this. It gets me excited to wake up in the morning, which always is a challenge sometimes, especially when it was just a holiday and I pretty much laid in my bed for like a week. But yeah, I had so much fun, and going through my closet and thinking like, would this member wear this outfit was kind of fun, like getting into their brain. I did a little bit of research for this, but I feel like I have a lot of pieces that TXT would wear. They're a super trendy K-pop group. They're really on trend, and yeah, that's that's what I love about them. I love fashion. I am in fashion, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe got some advice. And yeah, I really want to do one of these for other groups that I like a BTS one would be fun because there's exactly 7 members, exactly 7 days a week. Who else? ATEEZ maybe, SHINee, NCT. I would have to do a lot more research for some of those people because they have such different out there styles. But yes, that was the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Goodbye.